It was a very interesting discussion. One, it was very good to get even from the opposition. So, who of course raised lots of points, but I think the other speakers did bring out that one of the major importance of the Narendra Modi's government is that they have brought pride back to India, and the idea that we are on the forward march. This is, if to put it in sports terms, as I'm associated with sport, this is a test match. This is not a T20 game or a one-day international. Reviving the country's economy, bringing back, this sort of reviving industrial skills. And it was nice to hear that this whole problem about the land acquisition, it is more about fair compensation being given to the farmers if the land is acquired, rather than just acquisition of land, and that this whole process has to go through a democratic, it has to go through a democratic process. It cannot be just pushed through, but the fact that there is still a lot of hope and that positive things are being done. And above all, I think the nicest thing is after so many years that we've had a full year without any major scandal or scam of any sort. And there is the fact that everybody, every minister, and all the bureaucrats, there is that work ethic has become so strong. So I think that is one of the major plus points of Narendra Modi's government for this 1 year, that there is this great desire to progress. There are hiccups on the way, and the idea is to progress and forget all sorts of differences and all that divided us, and that he is also reaching out to people, leaders of other political parties, that a broad spectrum should exist, because for India to progress, it's not one party's progress, the whole country has to progress, whatever the political affiliations.